Alright, Fly Rate Mechanic here, and we are diagnosing a 2010 Volkswagen CC. It's got a 2-liter. This also goes for 1.8 liters in a few different vehicles. You got the Volkswagen Beetles, 14, 15, 16 Beetles, 17 Beetles, Jettas 1.8, GTI 2.0s. But this is a pretty common code they come across in these vehicles. A P2187, system 2 lean at idle, bank 1. Also a common code for this same symptom is a P0171 for system 2 lean, bank 1. And there's a number of different things. Basically what this typically means, at idle, if you're having a lean code at idle, you're looking at some sort of vacuum leak or air entering, unmetered air entering the engine. So typically a first test on this would be to smoke the intake system, and that's what we've done here. So I'll go ahead and show you what we found on this one, and I will also give you all the most common reasons why this code will set on these vehicles and where to check. Alright, so on this particular vehicle you can see I have the smoke machine hooked up. I went in right through here. You can see the tube running around, and I blocked off the air intake so it will hold the smoke inside the intake system. If you look down here, that's the intake manifold runner, where it goes on the side of the intake, and you can clearly see all that smoke coming out of there. So that's the problem on this vehicle. Alright, so another very common problem on these is also the PCV, or they call it the they actually call it the air intake breather, but it's basically an oil separator PCV system. I'll show you what that is as well. And this one's actually already been replaced on this vehicle, and that's just assembly here, and it just bolts on the top of the valve cover gasket. Now a lot of times when that PCV breather fails also, it has a potential to take out the rear main seal, which will also cause an oil leak and a vacuum leak. So those are also real common on that, and that's between the transmission and the engine. So the transmission has come out to replace that rear main seal. So if you're smoking it and you're not seeing any vacuum leaks, you may have to put the vehicle up and look in between the motor and the transmission. Yeah, so this is actually the second intake we put on this vehicle. Apparently we have to do it again, unfortunately. But yeah, we already did the breather. We got no smoke coming in from in between the transmission or the engine, no oil leaks. So I think that's what's going to fix this one. We are going to have to replace the whole intake manifold because it's all one piece as far as I know. And I mean, other than that, I mean, sometimes mass airflow sensors go bad, can cause that lean condition. But on these, one of the most common causes is going to be those PCV breathers. So, and that you're not going to be able to test externally. What you have to do is take this hose off right here, block it off, and look at your fuel term values. But that'll do it for this video. If it was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks. Fly Rate Mechanic.